Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show y'all how you can make this bouquet of rose-shaped kiss candies for Valentine's. So you're gonna get some of this red colored clear gift wrap that I got at Hobby Lobby. You're also gonna need some floral tape. It comes in a pack of 2. Some kisses, any kind, I just prefer the almond ones. Some pliers. A pair of scissors. Some of these wooden stakes. You can even get the like skewer looking ones, but I just preferred the green ones. Some ribbon. You can get any kind of ribbon, but this is the one that I already had on hand. So you're going to cut off the pointy part of the stakes. This part is optional. I just didn't want anything pointy in my bouquet. And then I cut them in half. I just thought that it looked kind of weird, like having a long stick. Okay, here you're going to roll out and cut the gift wrap. It needs to be big enough to wrap around both of those kisses, but it needs to be small enough so that it doesn't overwhelm the stick. You'll see here in just a moment. So I cut off this long piece, I folded it in half, and then I folded it in half again, and I cut the sides. Eventually I folded it in half again because that was too large. Okay, so you're going to get 2 of the kisses and you're going to put them together at the base, just like that. And then you're going to wrap the clear paper around the kisses and hold them in place together, just like that. Then you're going to grab one of the sticks that you cut earlier. You're going to put it at the base of the kisses. Then you're going to wrap the paper around the stick so that it'll lie flat. Okay, now with the floral tape, you're going to start at the base of the kisses, but it's like at the tip of the stick, and you're going to wrap the tape around the paper in a downward motion so that it'll cover up the paper and the stick. Okay, and then whenever you get to the bottom, you're just gonna rip that part off and then just press it flat. It's really sticky, so it'll just stick to itself. And there goes your first one. Okay, now just a quick recap. So you're gonna get 2 of those kisses. You're gonna wrap the paper around those kisses. You're gonna get one of the sticks. You're gonna wrap the paper around the stick so that it'll lie flat. Then you're going to get the floral tape and you're going to wrap that around both the paper and the stick all the way till you get to the bottom, and then you're going to rip that part off. And there you have it. There goes another one. Okay, so now I have a bouquet of roses finished, and I'm going to wrap them in this gift wrap so that it'll look more nice. I cut some gift wrap to wrap around the bouquet of roses. I forgot to cut the ribbon beforehand, so I asked Sebastian to hold it for me. I cut 3 strips of this thin ribbon to wrap around the bouquet. And then I tied a bow around it in the front, and that was it. This was a super quick and super easy way to make a bouquet of roses made out of kisses. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!